everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Meg's How-To Videos. For today, we're going to go over how to install a 3 or 4 prong power cable to your dryer. To begin, unscrew the panel located on the back side of the dryer. With the cover removed, you'll see several different hookups. First, there's power, then neutral, then power again, and of course, don't forget your ground. Now, before you install the power cable to your dryer, you need to know which wall outlet you have. There are 2 different types of hookups. There's a 3-prong and a 4-prong. Let's start by hooking up a 4-prong power cable. First, slide your wires through the bottom opening. Then, line up the wires as follows: red on the right, white in the middle, and black on the left. To hook up the green wire, or otherwise your ground wire, locate a jumper post that is attached to the middle hookup or a screw that is attached to the body of the dryer. In most cases, the screw or bolt will have a greenish tint to it. Unscrew the bolt and attach the ground cable. When it comes to hooking up a 3-prong power cable, run the cables through the bottom opening. Then, line up the wires as followed. If the wires are colored, line up the red on the right, white in the middle, and black on the left. Since this wire harness is all one solid color, locate the side that has writing on it and have it face down. Then, hook up the wires in the order that they sit: right to right, middle to middle, and left to left. With the wires hooked up, reattach the back cover. Then, install the wire harness mounting bracket. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to install either a 3 or 4-prong power cable to your dryer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more how-to videos. If this video helped you out, or you have an idea for another how-to video, please leave it in the comments below. But until next time, God bless and good luck.